And thank you, Jeevan. Today came in my session. I'm warm welcome in my session today because last 3 months you joined my session earlier, and you have taken your morning wake up courses, and then you came to the LinkedIn build up. And one time I have seen you are completely frustrated, right? Completely frustrated. And I remember you said to me, sir, I'm not able to do anything. And that day I told you, first you develop your mindset. Remember, then you said, yes, I'm ready to do that. And you completed, 5 a.m. Wake up courses. After that, you got a lot of confidence. And then you shifted to the LinkedIn builder. And this month itself, you got job. Finally, you got job, right? You already post-graduated. It was a very difficult time. I remember you are completely in, frustrated yourself. You thought ki I'm not able to do that anything.
Yes, sir.
Thank you again. I'll tell you, you came and you succeeded yourself. You got job. I'm
Yes,
very happy for you. So today I want to know how you started, how you believe on me ki like morning wake up, 5 a.m. morning courses will help you. How you believed on me? Can you
yeah.
tell me briefly about that? A lot of viewer is here. They want to see.
Before joining our section, I don't know basic of how to improve our skills. After joining our sections, I learned about how we can train our mind, what is the power of subconscious and conscious, how we can train our subconscious mind, how we can success early in a year, how we can get success in early through using our mindset, how we have to think, what we have to focus, what we have to not don't focus on this. All those things I learned from you, Lisa. Then also I learned how I can how we can use time in our day-to-day life. What is the purpose of wake up in early morning? All those things I learned from you, Lisa. And then I start work on start working for a few months later, later on early morning. I also seen a lot of changes in my life, and my mindset also working in another way. How I learned how to focus on positivity, how we can ignore negativity, all those things I learned here from you. Then I realize also what is the purpose of LinkedIn, how LinkedIn will work on getting job, why we can build our LinkedIn, LinkedIn, how to help people, how to help getting a job in industries, all those things learned from your research. Before signing his lecture section, I was very frustrated. I get very fear. I get lot of fear on me because I don't know. I have no communication skills. That issue is that for that issues I am facing lot of issue. After that your section only I got some confidence. I worked for communication skill also. Now I get some improvement also in communication skills also. Before joining your sections, I don't know how to speak in English. I hesitate to speak with other people for communication. After the joining your communication skills, I learned a lot of things. I changed my mindset. I worked for my communication and developed my technical
Yeah, that is
skills.
great. That is
Now
great.
after 3 months,
Given you talked about a lot, I want to
yeah,
know
yeah,
a few
right.
things like you joined like 5 a.m. morning courses. Okay, so how much that
Yes, sir.
morning course transformed yourself? How much you got
Yeah.
affected? How much you transform yourself? Can you tell us briefly?
Yeah. I joined here morning lecture class in 2 months before. That morning lecture class I learned how to train our mindset. That is the thing very important. That mindset will give me a lot of changes in my life. I always focus on my technical part. Then I start doing meditation, affirmation, and then all those things. Then I also realized what is the power of meditation and our power of subconscious mind. All those things learned in your morning lecture classes.
Oh, great. No, you are following everything, right?
Yes, sir. I am also
Yeah,
still. I
thank
am
you,
also.
thank you. That is a great things. You transform yourself with after you completed, completely 1 month. You are, connected with
Yeah,
me,
yeah.
right?
Yes,
Completely,
sir.
I remember
Yes,
one
sir.
month you are connected with me, and you had a lot of questions which I
Yeah,
had cleared all
yeah,
the
yeah.
questions answer, and you worked for yourself. I think day and night, right? That time you told me कि your
Yes, sir.
many friends don't like, right? Don't want to talk with you. they
Yes,
they are
yes, sir. Yes,
avoiding
sir.
you, right? You told
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
So how
Yeah,
is the
yeah, yeah.
reaction of your friend now? You got succeed, you got job, great job you
Yeah.
got, good package you got. No, how
Yes,
your
sir.
effect of your friend, how they are behaving now? Please tell us briefly.
Sir, now my friends are start messaging you. How you get their job? What are the things we are focused on? I tell them also that, you can join this link. One guide is guided me. I learned a lot of things from him. If you want, you can also try it once. You will understand like the place in my friends also.
Oh, great,
Now
great.
now
See, yeah.
now now my friends also start believing me.
Oh, great, great. See, I remember when you joined, 2 months back, my courses. That time I told you, you completely frustrated. You told me that my friend is
Yes,
not
sir. Yes.
talking with me, they are avoiding me, they are not listening me. They are joking. A
Yes.
lot of things it happened because I told you that time you were not success that day, right? I
Yeah.
told
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
that day
Yeah.
also, when you will get success, everybody will run behind you. That is the
Yes, sir.
fundamental things nature has given
Yeah.
to the
Yeah.
human beings. If you are a succeed yourself, human will run behind you. If you will not succeed yourself, then human will
Yeah.
go away from you.
Nah.
That is the two
Yes.
fundamental things in human for human
Yeah. Yeah.
beings. Now you tell me, now your friend is always following you. No, they are observing you, they are calling you, they are caring you
Yes,
as
sir.
well, right? Now they are
Yes,
asking
sir.
your suggestion. Yeah, see, time came,
Yeah.
finally time came. That is a
Yeah.
complete your
Yeah.
effort.
Yeah. Definitely.
I remember ki when you got selected, you messaged me, you called me, you told me, sir, very thank you,
Yeah.
but I'll tell you, I'm the just guider, I'm nothing else. I'm one guider. I'm one guider.
Yeah.
I whatever
Yes,
things
sir.
I taught you, whatever things I fed you, you got that things. You used in your life.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you
Yeah.
never
Yeah.
used whatever input I had given to you, you are never able to get job, or you are never able to get whatever you want. So you follow that thing.
Yeah.
For that, I'm very grateful because whatever I said to you, I remember 1 month you follow
Yeah.
all the steps, and that was the
Yes,
reason
sir.
today you are here. And thank you again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, please
Yeah.
tell us, what happened when you started working on your LinkedIn. You told me, sir, my LinkedIn, nobody is sending connection, nobody is commenting me, nobody like your profile.
Yes,
People,
sir.
that thing you told me. No, what happened after you worked completely? You dedicated after completion 5 courses, morning courses. Then you completely dedicated for LinkedIn buildup. So what happened after completion of LinkedIn
Yes.
buildup? What happened? What change you have seen your job searching, or your
Yeah.
connectivity, your complete thing? I want to know. Please tell me.
Yes. When I joined your English class, I have less connection, sir. After 1 month, I start interacting with people. I have lot of connection. Lot of people start visiting my profile. Now my profile also good, look good. Before joining your LinkedIn class, I have only 200 connection only. Now within 3 weeks, now I have more than 600 plus connections, sir. And then people also start messaging me. I also getting some opportunity also from LinkedIn also. Then I am also searching. Then I also learn how to find job in LinkedIn. All the things I learned from you, sir. Now my LinkedIn profile is good, sir. Now many people I get meeting for this. Give
Yeah,
interview
nice
for
to
this.
nice to hear from your side. You said like when you had a profile, but people are not connecting your profile, right? They are not, they don't
Yes,
want
sir.
to communicate with. But when you started working on LinkedIn, when profile become on a standard, then connection started increasing. When that time your connection was 300, I remember, right? Now it is reached 600, it is
Yes,
reaching,
sir. Yes, sir.
it is going to soon
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now,
1000 also, right? So people is giving comment,
yes,
people is
sir.
messaging you, right? If you are messaging anybody, they are giving reply
Yeah,
to you.
yeah.
See, that is the differences. That what I said you remember when you join LinkedIn build up courses, that time also I told you, okay, if you work on that, lot of opportunity will get and lot of things. So that was the reason I'm telling every professional and students, you have to open login on LinkedIn.